Hi, my name is Steve Moran, and I'm the founder of Whiteboard Dental Videos. Now, I'm sure you're already thinking of many ways you can use these videos to grow your practice. We've found that the doctors that get the best results the quickest are the ones that have allowed us to personally work with them to create a patient appreciation promotion for their practice. Here's how it works. For just $247, I'll create a whiteboard video like this one detailing the promotion, a landing page like the one you're on now explaining the promotion, and everything else you need for a successful promotion. But here's the best part. I assume all the risk. If I don't get you at least 10 patients from the promotion, I'll pay you $500. So not only are we going to create an avalanche of goodwill for your practice through this promotion, but if I don't get you at least 10 patients from it, you get $500. What have you got to lose? It's now or never, as you'll never see this promotion again. So unless you've already got all the patients you need, click the button below right now, and let's talk about getting a patient appreciation promotion going for your practice as soon as possible.